You know what say? I don't know about anybody else, but the Maverick feel a little bad way going into this FIFA window. And Jamaica's last 3 World Cup qualifiers, the Reggae Boyz, heading into a cluster of qualifying games, all of 9 points up for grabs, and we are just playing for honor our fixtures. Imagine, even if we win all 3 games and capture all 9 points, we're so far off the pace. 3 wins and 9 points can't help we. We feel away. It is with a heavy heart that me go up a stadium, go watch the match them. When we think about what might have been, and what could have been, and what should have been, how precious the opportunity was, and we wasted it by doing so many things wrong. I wonder if we understand how singular these opportunities tend to be in life. And when we miss them, they don't come back readily, and with all things remaining equal and constant, and that the next cycle might come with a different set of unforeseen challenges. Anyway, I'm going to watch the match them still. Yeah, we want to see this not as the end of an old journey, but as the beginning of a new one. And that new journey begins now with these 3 steps. So we go, so 1, 2.